Flash photo. Another camera bug quick freezes a happy moment that will be enjoyed over and over again for years to come. Matter of fact, that happy moment is being re-enjoyed right now, for the picture was taken in a camera that produces a finished print in 60 seconds. Here at the Polaroid Corporation plant in Cambridge, Massachusetts, the various components of the camera are tested before assembly. In this case, complex equipment determines whether a shutter functions as it should. The sub-assemblies come together. Each worker makes sure that preceding steps have been up to standard before going on with the assembly. Finally, the last parts are added, and the camera is about ready for a really thorough going over in the quality control department. But first, lenses must be collimated, that is, focused on infinity and otherwise adjusted. Elsewhere in the plant, the unique film used in these cameras is prepared. Long strips of positive paper on which the photograph will appear are joined with masking paper and little pods containing the developing compound that allows one to pull a finished picture right out of a camera. These are the developing pods. After a picture is snapped, they are caused to burst and spread in an even layer between negative and positive, performing immediately the jobs that otherwise would have to be handled in a photo laboratory. Here we see the positive rolls being wound. Now, positive roll and negative roll meet. They will be joined only at the start of the rolls, though, until they unwind back to back inside the camera after the picture has been snapped. There's one good way to test film, that's to take pictures with it. And so one roll in every so many is exposed under rigidly controlled conditions. At first grabbed up mostly by amateur photographers, the 60-second picture has turned into an extremely useful tool for professionals, like newspaper photographers. Papers that heretofore had only limited facilities for obtaining fast picture coverage of late-breaking local events can now, by using a machine called a scanograver, have a photo on the press and rolling 15 minutes after it was shot. As the drum rotates the photo, the image is engraved into a plastic plate. Industry generally is finding wide uses for the new camera. In offices and factories all over the nation, it's proving indispensable for tasks like reproducing a machine part for which there is no number. Instead of shipping the part back to the manufacturer for replacement or trying to describe it, they take a quick photo and send that along, an exact representation. Documents can also be copied, and in laboratories you can imagine what it means to the researcher to get a quick still of rapidly moving bacteria or other subject matter. Even with less rapidly moving subjects like new employees posing for their identification badge photos, this remarkable product of America's photographic industry has carved a permanent niche for itself in only a few short years.